Today. It's a girl, and she's eating corn off a motherfucking power drill. Off a. What? What even enters your mind that enters your mind that goes, this corn is really good. This corn is really good. I know what can make it better. Let me get a fucking power drill and attach them. Oh, wow. Whoa. Then I don't have to turn it or nothing. Then I can really be fucking lazy. Yeah. Like, how do you think of this shit? Hey. Susie? I'm totally thinking of, eating corn. Well, do it, Katie. Corn is pretty good. Well, Susie, I want to eat corn off a power drill. At least now she could come out as a lesbian and get even more views on her fucking video.